guys, Burping Dragon here, and this is my first time recording. My name is Michael. I was born in the US, and I'm 8 years old, and I speak Spanish and English. So, I might make videos of games, or vlogs about myself, or challenges. Anything that you say in the comments, I will do, okay? And, well, yeah, that's pretty much. I'm sorry this video is really short, so see you in my next video, guys. Bye.